Okay, guys. Hello, Yan Yan. Okay, yay! This is me, Steven. See? This is Dylan. And this is a bird feeder we're gonna start the vlog with. So it's a very empty bird feeder.
Very empty.
Very rusty and very old. The end. That is the bird feeder vlog. Yeah!
Wait, are you actually gonna post that?
No. Yes. So we're gonna post that video.